Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you a more premium role on Vmos Pro, and then that I'm going to be sharing with you on this time is going to be with the SS Google Play. It's going to be working perfectly. Expose the internet as well. It's going to be working. Okay, so the link will be available on the description of this video. The link of the room that I'm going to be sharing with you, you can download from there. Let's get started. But before we get started, I want to ask you, if you are not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, activate the notification to get notified about a new video, and let's get started. So as I just said, I'm gonna be sharing with you one of best role on it's going to be with the SS Google Play Store. It's gonna be working where you're gonna be able to download some games and application to the Vmos Pro. And expose the installer as well. It's gonna be installed working perfectly. The link will be available on the description of this video. Let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Vmos Pro. I'm gonna be using this version of the Vmos Pro 1.0.0. The link will be available. Also, the link of the Vmos Pro will be available on the description of this video. Download, install on your Android device. Once you have the Vmos Pro installed on your Android device, what you're going to do next, you are going to download the ROM that I'm going to be sharing with you. The link will be available on the description of this video. It's gonna be just like this. Once you have this file on your Android device, just download it on the description of this video. Once you download the file, the ROM, once you have it on your Android device, what you're going to do next, you are going to create a new folder on your Android device and name it as Vmos Pro, as I did right over here. Open the folder that you just created, the Vmos Pro, and create a new folder on it and name it as backup, as I did, just like this. Open the backup folder and you need to put the ROM on the backup folder. Copy the ROM or cut the ROM and put it on the backup folder. Once you did that, what are you going to do? You are going to open the application, the Vmos Pro. Just open. And let me delete this one over here quickly. I'm gonna be showing you how to do that step by step. Alright, just to open the application, it's gonna be asking you to give the permission to the application, to the Vmos Pro on the first time. Go ahead to give you all the permission to the app. You don't need to worry about it. The application, it doesn't have a virus. It is 100% safe. I have used this application for a while, so don't worry, it doesn't have a virus. Just to give you all the permission to the application, I have already did that. In my case, I'm just gonna be clicking right over here on add a virtual machine. By doing that, it will appear this window. Because I'm not connected on internet, you don't need to worry about it. We don't need internet connection. Just go ahead and click on these three dots right over here in the corner. By doing that, it will open this window. Click on the first one, which is saying rect VM, recover the virtual machine. Click on it. By doing that, it will show up there the ROM. In case the ROM does not appear on this side, just the return. Make sure to verify the ROM and make sure to create a new folder as I just show it to you. Create a new folder and name it as Vmos Pro. On the Vmos Pro folder, create a new one and name it as backup, and put the ROM on the backup folder, backup folder. Once you did that, just to open the application, the Vmos Pro, and click on these three dots in the corner. Click on recover virtual machine. By doing that, you will have the ROM that you just downloaded on the description of this video. Just click on it and the Vmos Pro will ask you if you really want to restore the ROM. Just to go ahead and click on start recovery. By doing that, Vmos Pro will start recovering your file. It's gonna take just a 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, depending on your device. Just the way that it'll operate. Alright, as you can see, the ROM has initialized. It's pretty cool, it's pretty simple. It's gonna be just like this. In case you're having trouble on your Android device, like a plug screen or something like that, I'm gonna try to help you to fix that kind of problem, like plug screen or anything like that, the ROM not opening or something like that. Just to go ahead and get to setting of your Android device, click the setting icon of your Android device. We are going to activate this option on your Android device. to make the Vmos Pro work faster without lagging, without the black screen. Okay, on the setting of your Android device, scroll down to the last option about phone or about device. The last option, click on a building, software information, build the number. Click on build the number around 7 times to activate the developer option. It's gonna be asking the passwords of your phone just to confirm the passwords. If it not ask you, go ahead and activate the developer option. Once you did that, it's gonna say that you are now a developer. Just to return one more time, and you will have there on the setting of your Android device developer option. Clicking on the developer option, open the developer settings, the developer options. It's gonna be just like this. Alright, first of all, we need to turn off the window animation skill. Scroll down and find this option saying window animation skill and put the animation off. Transition animation to the same process, put the animation off. Animation saturation, put the animation off as well. Scroll down, find this option saying 44x MSAA enabled. Enable this option as well. Scroll down here on background process limit, go ahead to click on it and mark it at most 2 process or at most 1 process. Okay, do this process only if you are having problem on your Android device with the Vmos Pro, like a plug screen, the Vmos like a plug screen on the Vmos Pro, or to fix lag on the Vmos Pro. Okay, so by doing that, you will have the Vmos Pro working perfectly, working faster without lagging. Close the application completely, the Vmos Pro, and open again. You will have there your Android device with the Vmos Pro working perfectly without lagging, super faster, without a plug screen or anything like that. Okay, so the room is just like this. Root SS installed working perfectly, super user root check to find out if you have root SS or not. Expose the installer to modify the room if you want. It's already modified, but you can change some stuff if you want. Google Play Store working perfectly to download some game to the Vmos Pro or some application, whatever you need to do with the room. The link will be available on the description of this video. Everything is working perfectly. Okay, Android 7.1.2, I customized the room. I did not customize this room. Hopefully, shout out to the person who customized this room. I don't even know who did this job. Okay, so one more thing to fix lag on the Vmos Pro. Click on build the number. Click on the setting icon of your Android. Of the Vmos Pro. The setting icon. Click on it. Scroll down to the option about emulated device. Build the number. The last option as well. This one over here. Click on it. Click on it around 7 times to activate the developer option as we did just right now. Okay, return and you will find the developer option on the Vmos. Click on it. We are going to fix the lags. We are going to fix lag. We are going to make the Vmos Pro work faster. Alright, scroll down, find the window animation skill and put the animation off. Transition animation, put the animation off. Animated duration, put the animation off. Make sure to enable this option saying force GPU rendering. Window animation off, transition animation off, force GPU rendering enabled. Scroll down, find this option as well enabled. For 4x MSAA, enable this option as well. Scroll down here on background process limit, go ahead and mark it at most 2 process or 1 process. Gonna go for 1 process, 2 process. Okay, by doing that, you will have the Vmos Pro working perfectly, working faster without lagging. Okay, so if you want to transfer some file to the Vmos Pro, if you want to download or if you want to install a game or application to the Vmos Pro, just click right over here on this icon, the Vmos Pro icon, and it's gonna be opening this window. Click on transfer and you will have this window. Click on the first option, import, and you will have there all the application which are installed on your Android device. Just select the one that you want to install and click it right over here in the corner, import, and the Vmos Pro will download the file to the room and it's gonna be installed easily. All right, installed, return. Okay, so you can see the application is started or the game is started easily. Just to open the game or the application and have some fun with your device with the Vmos Pro with root assist Google Play Store. Export the installer working perfectly, easy and simple. Okay guys, that's the video start from here. This video help you out. If this video help you out, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Activate the notification to get notified about no video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.